Hi guys, Roland here. In this video, we're doing a basic car service on Toyota Corolla. We got an engine oil filter, a spark plug, a engine semi-synthetic oil, and lastly, petrol injector cleaner. And this is the Corolla. We're doing the service, and let's get started. First, let's put the fuel cleaner to the petrol tank. Now it's time to change the oil filter and the engine oil. This is all the tools that we're gonna use to change the oil filter and the engine oil. We got an oil filter remover and a jack. We have an oil drip pan, a couple of jack stand, and a funnel. Slowly jack up the car so you get access underneath the engine. For your safety, before working underneath the car, always use a jack stand. Now, it's time for us to change the engine oil. First, we prepare the oil pan. And second, we spray some bit of WD-40 to loosen and soften the bolt. I'm using a 14mm ratchet to loosen the bolt. A quick note, please always wear a protective gloves before changing the oil. Now we're going to change the spark plug. First, we take off the engine cover. I'm using a 10mm ratchet to loosen the nut of the engine cover. I'm using the 16mm spark plug remover to remove my spark plug. When you're done changing the first spark plug, same procedure as you done all four. Next, time to change and remove the oil filter. In here, my oil filter is stuck. Even though I've used an oil filter remover, but still doesn't work. So I do the plan B. I use a hand drill to make a side hole to the oil filter. Next, insert a screwdriver from the hole you drill and turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to loosen the oil filter. Next is to fit the new oil filter. Before you fit the new oil filter, first fill it with oil engine. We're done dripping all the oil out, it's time to close it back. Next is refilling the engine oil. Always use a funnel to avoid spilling the engine oil. For this Toyota Corolla, we only need to refill a 3.5 liters of oil engine. And we're almost done. Now it's time to remove the both jack stand. First, we need to check the level of the engine oil. It should sit on the top of the engine oil measuring stick. If not level, then fill some more oil. That's it, we've done servicing our car. Now it's ready for action. If you learned something and liked this video, please hit like and subscribe to help my channel. Thank you for watching.